And then another one is resmi. Another one is resmi. Resmi means formal. Awas, awas, awas. Kesandung. Resmi means rasmiyah. It means formal. And then kerabat. Kerabat. Okay, let me introduce you someone. What's your name? Okay, let's continue. Just keep her. We also usually come. What's your name? Namanya siapa?
Haura.
Okay, her name's Haura. Let's skip her. Skip them too. Skip them both. They're just my teacher's children. Okay.
Ini bisa ini bisa dimasuk.
So we are recording. And it's still going. So what's your name?
Mine is Haura.
What's your name? My name is siapa? Husna. And how old are you? Umur berapa?
Umur tidak tahu saya.
She is maybe 4 or 5 years old. No, they're not my children, you know. They are my teacher's children, so it's just make them as my sisters. And like cats who disturb me, who disturb my programs.
Games.
Okay, skip it. Skip, you want to say something?